Welcome to the another episode of Quilling. So here I'm going to introduce you to another one. You have to create a circle, and with the pins you have to arrange in the form of a petals. So first you have to copy in the opposite direction, then place the rest of the pins nearby, and we have to wind the paper ribbons along with that. So just I'm using a 3mm ribbon, pink color one, just passing through the needles. You have to follow the way which I have filling. So this is just for a petal. Now you can add more if you are interested to have a bigger or longer, or you can have a bigger circle so that you can get a very larger petals. And you can extend the ribbon also using gluing one with the other. So now I'm just gluing it up. Similarly, I have made a few more petals to make a flower. I'm using 7 petals for this flower. So these are the already pre-created one. And now what we have to see is the center portion. For that I'm just using the crippling wheels. So the yellow ribbons we are using for it. Just let's glue it and keep it for some time so that we can use it. It will get dried when we are keeping it. Okay. So now we are going to roll it, and I'm taking 2 ribbons for the center port because it should be a little wider than the single one. Don't exert pressure on it, just slowly you have to so that it should remain as curly. The end of these two should be, so the inner portion you have to cut it off, then you have to glue it, and you can stick this to the center of the flower. So now our flower is ready. It should get dried. Now I'm going to make an element which is giving an just I have taken 5mm ribbon of that the same color, and I'm just rolling the 2 ends of it so that it will give a design pattern. So similarly I've created few more. This will help us for the decoration element. Next we are going to see the leaf of it. In the previous videos I have shown different kind of leaves. Now I'm just showing a simple one. We are just gluing it up. Edges I'm just squeezing it only in the one edge. Okay, so this is the leaf pattern, one single leaf. Likewise we are arranging few other leaves, just gluing it up as a this will form the 5 leaflet form a single leaf. So now you can see that it is getting glued. This glue is slightly slimy, so it's taking more time for it to get dried. You can use any other adhesive glues, so it will dry very soon. Okay, so now I'm going to show one new flower, introducing it. I need 4 ribbons for it. 3 I'm rolling together and the last one edge. Likewise we have to roll the entire 4 petals and just make it as a element, squeeze at the end, and the other edge also you have to reverse squeeze. So this is 1 petal and we need 3 more petals. And the center portion I'm using it as the same as what I have made it, and glue at the edge. So this is the center portion which I have used in this one. So you can use glue there and just push it, glue the other petal, and now you have to press this and have to be dry it.